I'm so psyched. Psyched? Check out this video to learn 5 words you can use when you're really excited. Hi, I'm Steve, and this is Single Step English. People feel excited when they're really happy. In this video, I'm going to teach you 4 words and an expression you can use to sound natural speaking English. These words will really help you grow or expand your vocabulary. Are you ready? Let's get to it. Number 1 is thrilled. I was so thrilled. I was so thrilled. This sentence is perfectly fine by itself. However, if you add information at the end, you can give a reason why you are thrilled. I was so thrilled when I bought a new car. He was thrilled with his test result. Notice the sentence pattern for each of these. I was thrilled when I, and he was thrilled with his. These are used quite often. Okay, number 2 is elated. Elated. And notice the pronunciation for this one. It's elated. Elated. Here is a sentence example. I was elated that my friend was okay. Perhaps my friend was in danger and I didn't know. And then I got a telephone call. Oh, from my friend. My friend is okay. So I was elated. I was elated that my friend was okay. Another example, she was elated on her wedding day. This has the same meaning as she was very excited on her wedding day. All right, number 3 is psyched. And the pronunciation for this, it sounds like this, psyched. And notice that the sound at the end is a T, not an ED. Psyched. Try saying it, psyched. All right, this means you are really, really happy. You're psyched, very excited. This is often used in the future tense. You're thinking about something that's going to happen soon, and you are very excited. For example, I'm really psyched for the big game. I'm really looking forward to the big game. Or, I'm really psyched for the concert. I'm really looking forward to going to the concert. I'm really psyched for the concert. Let's take a look at number 4, which is delighted. You can use delighted when you are really pleased. I was delighted with the musical performance. The musical performance really pleased me. I was delighted with the musical performance. Another sentence in a business setting, we were delighted with the presentation. You can also use delighted to respond to an invitation. Here's an example. Would you like to join us for dinner? Oh, yes, I would be delighted to. Or, I'd be delighted to. In addition, you could use I'd be delighted to if someone asked you for help. For example, oh, could you help me with this? Sure, I'd be delighted to. It has the same meaning in that situation as sure, no problem. Sure, I'd be glad to. It's a little nicer. Sure, I'd be delighted to. I'd be happy to. The last one is an expression that native speakers use when we are really, really happy. And it is the expression to be on cloud 9. Apparently, when Cloud 9 was discovered in 1896, it was the greatest cloud in the world. Therefore, people will use the expression to be on Cloud 9 when they are perfectly happy. For example, he has been on Cloud 9 since he got married. She was on cloud nine after kicking the winning goal. Notice the words we use after cloud nine for both of these sentences. On cloud nine since and on cloud nine after. If you can remember those two words, you can easily use the expression on cloud nine. There you have it. Those are 4 really useful words and 1 idiom you can use to sound more natural speaking and communicating in English. I would be thrilled to see your sentence example in the comment section below. As always, thank you so much for watching and see you next time. I'm psyched.